The 4th of July marks America's 243rd birthday, but what better way to celebrate the holiday than with some all-American classic foods? Here to help us out, get us in the patriotic mood, friend of the show, Chef Lori Rogers, better known as Chef Lorious. Thank you so much for joining us in our newly made-over kitchen.
I love it. I feel honored to be here.
Welcome back. I mean, this spread is amazing. We even have our guests waiting to eat. You can come over. We'll make you a plate.
Come on.
Come on in.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
So tell us what's in the burgers.
Okay, so this is what I call the swine and cheeseburger.
Swine and cheese?
Yes. It's made
Okay, all right.
Okay, great.
I was a Muslim for 2 weeks. I quit, but go ahead.
Okay, you're not a vegan, are you?
No, I'm not a vegan.
Okay.
And I got something interesting to say about vegans. Go ahead.
Okay, so this is ground beef and sausage together, and then we stuff it with bacon and cheese.
This is yours.
Okay, thank you.
You have your lunch.
Chips, okay?
right.
So that's really good. You put barbecue sauce on it. You can do mayo.
barbecue sauce?
Wait, a mumbo sauce. No, I'm just... Okay, go ahead. I'm so DC. Sorry. All right.
This
good.
is all American. So
Yes.
hamburgers are all American, right?
Yes,
okay,
perfect.
Now, then we also have chicken and waffles on a stick. Okay, now fried chicken again, all American. You put it with waffles, and we put a kick on this with our sriracha maple syrup.
So it's a little spicy and a little sweet and savory.
Good
Got
chicken
it.
and waffles has got to have some kick to
There
it
you go.
to go offset that sweet. Otherwise, it's just like dessert.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's
That's
nice and
good.
savory, good meal.
Wait a minute. Am I the only person eating? I'm feeling nervous.
Oh,
Y'all
no,
not trying
here.
to poison me or anything.
No, here.
I'm talking.
Okay,
I can't.
go ahead.
Yeah, I
Oh, yeah, you
can't
gotta
talk
do
any-
both of them.
Okay, so you just keep chewing.
It's really good.
Yeah, and you want to make sure you cook those all the way through because you got
Right.
the sausage in there and pork.
Right
needs to
on.
be
You got
cooked.
everything in the middle.
Okay.
That's very good.
Then we've got some salads going here. Oh, he's dancing.
That's
Get
good.
that. Woo!
What is it? I don't know. What is it? When you dance, that's when it's good. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
thank you. No, you're okay. You can
All
keep
right.
dancing.
Okay.
So we got some salads going here, right?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw. And this is called cowboy caviar.
Ooh.
Okay. Now, it's not really caviar. It's really a mixed bean salad. It comes from the 1940s.
It's really good.
Very all-American. It's got peppers in it, some onions in it. Not hot peppers.
right.
Bell peppers in it.
I can
handle
Onions
the
and
heat.
things.
Can you handle the heat?
This is for you. I mean, do
Yeah, I
so
can
far.
handle the heat. I'm in the kitchen if you can't handle
I
the
know
kitchen.
that's right.
All right. And then this is our barbecue macaroni salad.
I've been waiting to eat this all morning.
Yes,
It
it
makes
is-
amazing pasta salad.
And when I really wanted this one to be different from the pasta salad, but still have the flavor, so we added some barbecue in there as well with it. I'm feeling
I'm gonna
that
reach right
one.
across you.
Okay, come on over. Come on over.
Some on
Is
your
it like potato salad? You can't eat
I'm
everybody
making a
potato
mess.
salad.
Well,
making a
you can
mess.
eat my potato salad.
Oh,
Aaron
that's
had
what
my
I'm
potato
talking
I had
salad.
it.
And I even
It's
like your
approved.
attitude. He said you can eat my
My potato salad is good. My mama taught
so
me how to
good.
And
make
if
potato salad.
if you don't have your confidence in your potato salad like that, don't bring it to the cookout. Don't bring it.
That's the truth.
Oh, this is bomb. This is really, really, really
I told
good.
you I really like that. And then we've got pulled pork sandwiches. And what's really cool, and now I'm California, Alabama, right?
I can't stop eating. I'm just like,
Well, you've been
Welcome to
hungry.
every day of my life.
You put some coleslaw
On the pulled
on
pork
the pulled pork
sandwich.
sandwich. Alabama,
Slathered up with that good
Yes.
barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Oh, that looks so good. So you want to make sure you got good condiments at your barbecue, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Barbecue sauce is number one. You can have mumbo sauce too.
All right. The vegans are really going to be upset with your setup.
Uh-oh.
I think the vegans shouldn't be allowed
But
to
they
go to
can have the
barbecues.
pasta salad.
I really think vegans should not be allowed to go to barbecues. Because vegans go to barbecues, they always got a vegan attitude. They want you to clean the whole grill down, and they look at your grill like, did you grill meat on that? It's a barbecue!
Then you microwave the veggie burger and
And they
everyone wins.
and they walk around with their own patties. Then go have your own barbecue. No disrespect to vegans, but it should be like an amnesty day. Like you can bring all your meat and everything you want. I'm sick of vegans ruining barbecues. I know you like to be beyond and everything like that, but go beyond my barbecue and go somewhere where I got your Beyond Burger.
Well, you come to my barbecue.
I'm gonna be at your barbecue.
I still love it.
Especially when you say you can eat my potato salad. I know it's gonna be a party.
See, I've had her potato salad. I can tell you, I've been to her house. It's so good. And how about the cake for us? What kind of cake is that?
This is a vanilla cake. All American red, white, and blue cake. We'll cut it a little bit later. It's got the red, white, and blue layers in there.
So you'll get
vanilla
dessert,
butter
you stick around.
Yeah,
My God, it's so good.
all day.
See?
What are you doing?
Won't he do? Won't he will?